According to Scotland's 2011 census, nearly 2 million people have some Scots language skills. But what is this language we call Scots, and where did it come from? Scots has many different names: Scots, Scotch, Broad Scots, Lowland Scots, even Lallans. It's spoken in the United Kingdom, mainly in the Central Belt and in the northeast of Scotland, but also in Orkney and Shetland, and in Galloway, the Borders, Caithness and other parts. Scots is also spoken in pockets of Ulster. The earliest identifiable languages of the UK are Celtic in origin. We can recognise two types: Goidelic, which is the predecessor of Irish Gaelic, Scottish Gaelic and Manx, and Brittonic, whose descendants include Welsh, Cornish and the now extinct Cumbric. When the Romans first arrived in Britain, they encountered several tribes speaking varieties of Brittonic. To the north of Hadrian's Wall were the Picts, whose language was probably a type of Brittonic. We know very little about Pictish, and what we do know comes mainly from place names scattered across the north and east of Scotland, such as place names beginning Pit. After the Romans left, a different Celtic group, this time of Irish origin, made its way into Pictish territories. These raiders, who the Romans called Scotti, settled in the west of Scotland, then part of the kingdom of Dalriada. They were speakers of Old Irish, a Goidelic form of Celtic and the ancestor of present-day Scottish Gaelic. Meantime, in the south, from the middle of the 5th century, following the Romans' departure, waves of Angles, Saxons and Jutes crossed the Channel. Settling first in East Anglia, Kent and the south, these settlers spoke closely related varieties of West Germanic. Within a few generations, these Anglo-Saxons had spread westwards and northwards, reaching the Lothians in the 6th century.